Hello, myself, Jimbo, the Stig. Hello. We're here to film the beastly bison who has fallen asleep in the garden under a curtain and is snoring his head off. Shall we investigate? Yeah.
Hello, Bison.
Hello, Stig.
Oh.
You okay there?
Yes.
Yeah. Do you want to stay out here under a curtain?
Yes.
Or do you want to come inside?
No, I'm fine.
Are you sure? 'Cause it's quite cold out here.
No, I was trying to breathe the fresh air, to be honest.
To be honest, Bi, it's quite cold out.
You can't help he who does not want to be helped.
Wow. What if we were to film you in this state?
Oh, I don't know, to be honest. If you were to film me in this state, oh, I'd probably.
It'd be a bit like March of the Penguins in a way.
Yeah. Walking amongst
Fucking cold.
Oh, fuck this.
Alright, we'll go in then. We'll leave you here.